our wonderful Los Angeles, hiking up, you know, on the hills. And look at, we've got Sherry and Rich with us, and look at, we've got Rover. Rover even goes. Rover, do you enjoy it? Are you enjoying your hike?
Yeah. Say hi, Rover.
Hi, Rover. See? Yeah. What did he say?
Even
hi, Rover. Hi, Rover.
Hey, Rover.
It's a beautiful day. And it's a beautiful day to be hiking.
Shall we continue?
Good. Exercise is good for the mind, for the body, for the immune system, just for everything. And for friendship.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice way to spend time with friends.
You bet.
Even for parrots. Hey, Rover, can you say something? Yeah? Do you want a head pat? Oh, yeah.